Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to enable or disable bracket colorizer inside VS Code. So typically in VS Code, every bracket that you open, like this one, is given unique colors right here, so that to differentiate between different snippets of code. Here you can see this one has yellow color, this one has purple color. So now if your code editor hasn't have this feature, if you want to enable bracket colorizer, it's very simple. You go to the settings option, and right here, you in the search bar, you simply search for bracket. Simply write bracket in the search bar, and you will see this setting right here, bracket pair colorizing. So if this option is not ticked, simply tick this option, and after that, this bracket pairs horizontal makes it to active. Change this to active, and this one also to active. Bracket pairs also changes to active. These are the three controls you need to do. Simply, first of all, check mark this option. Secondly, make this both these two active. If still you are seeing your bracket colorizer is not working, then you need to go to the settings option, preferences settings. Go in the command palette, just go into the settings and just type this editor dot guides dot bracket pairs and just toggle this to true. So it will actually turn on the bracket colorizer. So if you now, you will see it will give unique colors to your brackets. So if you want to now disable it, it's very simple. Change this from true to false, and now your bracket pair colorizer is disabled. Now if you see, again you need to first of all untick this option. So if you untick this option, again change to false here, and now you will see no more bracket colorizer is there. So in this way you can toggle this setting very simply. So please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and also check out my website, which is freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.